In today's video, we will learn how to fix Nintendo Switch dock not connecting to TV. Fix 1. Reset your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button on the top edge of your Switch until a menu pops up. Then select Power Options and choose Restart to perform a soft restart. Fix 2. Check accessories. Ensure you are using the correct Nintendo Switch AC adapter and dock. Replace any damaged accessories like AC adapter, HDMI cable or dock. Fix 3. Check console functionality. Power off the TV. Disconnect all cables from the dock. Unplug the AC adapter from the dock. Wait for 30 seconds. Reconnect the AC adapter directly to a wall outlet without docking the console. Fix 4. Try different HDMI ports on your TV. Unplug the HDMI port. Unplug the HDMI cable from the current port on your TV. Connect to a new port. Plug the HDMI cable into a different HDMI port on your TV. Check display. If the display still does not show your switch, try the remaining available HDMI ports on your TV. Fix 5. Check for software updates on your Nintendo Switch. From the home menu, select System Settings. Navigate to the System section and select the Auto Update Software option to on. Updates to install software will be downloaded automatically while the Nintendo Switch system is connected to the internet. Fix 6. Reset the AC adapter. Unplug the AC adapter. Disconnect the AC adapter from both the wall outlet and the USB cable connected to the console or dock. Wait for 30 seconds. Leave the AC adapter unplugged from both the ends for at least 30 seconds. Check for damage. While the adapter is unplugged, inspect for any physical damage like cuts, scrapes or loose wiring. Plug back in. After 30 seconds, plug the AC adapter back into the wall outlet. Connect to the console directly. Instead of connecting the USB-C back into the console's dock, plug it directly into the handle itself. If after following these steps you still encounter issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Check Nintendo's official customer support website and Nintendo's customer support to see if your issue has a simple solution. Here, on this website, you can find similar issues you are facing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.